Are you looking for a powerful smartphone in 2025 without spending a fortune? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best budget smartphones under $300 that give you premium features at an affordable price. Let's get started. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. With a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, and a reliable Exynos processor, this phone is perfect for smooth scrolling and daily usage. Battery life? A solid 5,000 mAh, enough for a full day of heavy use. Price? Just under $280. Number 4. Motorola Moto G Power 2025. If battery is your priority, this is the king. With an insane 6,000 mAh battery, you can go almost 3 days on a single charge. Plus, it has clean stock Android with guaranteed updates. Price? Around $250. And now, number 3. OnePlus Nord N300 5G. This budget beast offers fast charging at 33 watts, smooth Oxygen OS, and a crisp 90Hz display. The camera isn't, but for this price, it's surprisingly good. Available for about $270. Phone number 2, Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro. This phone gives you a 108MP main camera, powerful Snapdragon processor, and AMOLED display, all under $300. It's basically a flagship killer for budget buyers. Price around $299. And finally, number 1, Google Pixel 7a, discounted. Yes, you heard it right. Pixel 7a's price has dropped, and you can now grab it under $300 in deals with Google's best camera software, clean Android, and 5 years of updates. This is hands down the best choice for anyone in the USA looking for a budget smartphone. So, which of these budget smartphones would you pick in 2025? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gadget updates and reviews.